Hi students, this is Anusha, your science teacher. Here you to explain you class 6 third lesson, rain, where does it come from? As this is a rainy season, you know rain is going to fall, isn't it? The rain, you will be experiencing rain more. So how the rain is formed? How rain is formed and what are the states of water and how evaporation takes place, how condensation takes place, and how clouds are formed, how the rain is going to form, and you all well know about water cycle. These are the things you are going to learn in this lesson, and some here you to climate. Climate is something which is an average weather condition for 25 years, you can say. The climate, weather, these all are the words you use regularly. So what do you mean by this climate, weather? Weather is in a short period of time, it is going to vary. Short period of time it is going to vary. Weather. Sometimes day, in a day also you can say morning it will be very hot, evening it will be cool, at night it will be again raining. These three conditions are called as weather. And climate, weather is something different. We exchange these words as our wish, but you are not supposed to. Climate is the thing which varies for 25 years. Average of 25 years of weather you are going to take and you are going to calculate as in climate, and weather is in a short period, it is going to vary. And you know the 3 months of will be summer, 3 months will be rainy, and 3 months will be monsoon, isn't it? So you are going to learn about this one only, and here is a small story in this lesson. So let me read out that for you. Ramya and Soumya were getting ready to go to school. Their mother advised them to take an umbrella with them. Ramya asked her mother why the umbrella was needed, as it was not raining. And you people also might have experienced so many times. Your grandparents or your parents will ask you to carry umbrella when you go out. And of course it might be not raining that time. But still they ask you to carry the umbrella. Umbrella, they will predict before it whether it is going to rain or not. So like that, Ramya and Soumya in this lesson also, their mother asked them to carry the umbrella, so that they carried umbrella with them. And here are some questions given to you down the lesson, and these questions were like this. Why do we get rains? Why do we get rains? Why do we get rains? The small droplets of water. Small droplets of water. Isn't it? They are going to get droplets of water is nothing but rain. Small droplets of water falling is nothing but your rain. And next question. Why do we get rains? Why do we get rains? As due to the water in the ponds, lakes, seas, water bodies, all the water bodies, they get evaporated due to the sunlight, and that form clouds, and they are the results of tiny droplets of water. How did mother know that it was likely to rain? How did the mother know it was likely to rain? Because there is a change in temperature, weather. Change in weather. Change in weather. It may be somewhat cloudy, and cool breeze cool breezes may be there. So mother came to know it is going to rain. Next, how did mother know it was over, right? Do all the clouds formed in the sky cause rain? No, they are not going to cause any. All the clouds are not going to rain. Only some are going to rain. Next, rain is a common phenomena. Here is in the textbook. Once you look at, you will know it. Rain is a common phenomena like air and sunlight in our daily life. We generally get more rains in rainy season. Of course, general observation is that if the sky is cloudy, then there are possibilities of rain. But clouds, all the clouds need not to lead to the rains every time. Sometimes we witness sudden rains also. So what? Rain is a common phenomena. Is a common thing. Like rain is a common phenomena like air and sunlight. How air and sunlight are common to us? Daily you will get sunlight and air. Isn't it? Like that, rain is also a common phenomena which takes place in our atmosphere, isn't it? So what? Due to the rain, you have sometimes all the clouds, always the clouds formation will be not there. Without the clouds also sometimes rains are going to come. So it is no need to for prior information to us to give whether clouds need not to be formed before raining. There may be sudden rains also. You can't expect. If the rains clouds are there, you can expect. These are the tiny droplets of water, you can say, which are formed in the above the earth. So these mostly will carry the rain. If these are not there also, sometimes rains are going to fall. And here are some questions given to you. You are supposed to answer. Why do clouds cause rain? Why do clouds cause rain? The small droplets of water carried by the sunlight from different water bodies, after going up, they will be forming they are going to cool down the temperature, and they are going to form the water droplets all together form like a cloud. And next question, what is the relation between the rain and the clouds? Because these clouds, all the tiny particles of the clouds are going to form, isn't it? They are going to form as a cloud, tiny particles of water. So if they are heavy, the clouds can't bear in them anymore. So it is going to fall in the form of a rain. And next question, why do all clouds cause rain? Why don't all the clouds? No, all the clouds do not cause rain. Why? We will see in this lesson. Okay. Next. Okay, this is the thing. So you are going to what you have learned in this rain, about what is the rain, how the small droplets of water carried by the water is nothing but your rain which is going to fall. How the clouds are formed, what are clouds, and how they are formed, we are going to learn. And how all the clouds will not get rains. So how can you what causes the yeah, thank you. We will end with this video. Thank you.